Hello. So this issue is on staging environment. Here I am signing up to the new tenant on staging environment. So after signing up, I'm getting an email for verification. Yeah, so this is the email I received. So before I verify my account, if I go to the my profile page, it is signing me out from the portal, and if I go back, the session is still active. If I go to any other page, I'm still able to access the pages. Only my profile page is not accessible. It's signing me out from the portal. Yeah, that's the issue. Thank you.